All right, gang, welcome back to the channel, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, click that bell, turn on the notifications for me, all right? All right, so we got to talk about the stock market, guys. It is down 600 points at the close on Friday. NASDAQ enters a correction after a weak jobs report, okay? So a lot of people are panicking and they don't know which way to go. They think we're going to be in a recession. We're just going to talk about in this video what are some good strategic moves to make and what are some good stocks to invest in this current volatile market. All right, so let's take a look here. All right, so stocks fell sharply on Friday as a much weaker than anticipated jobs report for July ignited worries that the economy could be falling into a recession. Stocks sank after July job growth in the U.S. slowed more than expected, while the unemployment rate rose to the highest since October in 2021. Non-farm payrolls grew by just 114,000 last month, the Labor Department reported, a slowing from 179,000 jobs added in June and below the 185,000 expected by economists polled by Dow Jones. The unemployment rate increased to 4.3%. The 10-year Treasury yield fell to its lowest since December as investors flood into bonds for safety for the fear Federal Reserve made a mistake this week by keeping interest rates at its current levels. All right, so that's what's going on, guys. A lot of panic right now, a lot of FUD, aka fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Right, but it's not all doom and gloom, right? Because nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. It could be a soft landing. We just don't know yet. But so, what is some good strategic plays to make right now in this market? Just like the article said, guys, the bond market. Okay, so we're going to take a look at what is some good bond stocks to invest into. So basically, if you don't understand what bonds are, you can invest in corporate bonds or government bonds, right? So basically, a bond is just a loan. Government bond, you're basically just loaning money to the government, and the government's going to pay you interest on that. And it does have a maturity date in which they will give you your principal back. So a corporate bond is a bond issued by a corporation in order to raise financing for a variety of reasons, such as ongoing operations, mergers and acquisitions, or to expand business. Okay, now, so a government bond or sovereign bond is a form of bond issued by a government to support public spending. It generally includes a commitment to pay periodic interest called coupon payments and to repay the face value on the maturity date. Now that you have a good understanding of what bonds are, this is how you can get some exposure to the bond market, okay? So next week, I'm going to be looking at ticker symbol BND. So that is Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund ETF, okay? So this is an exchange-traded fund that gives you exposure to the bond market, okay? It's a mixture of corporate bonds and government bonds, all right? So it's currently trading at $74.41. So so the bond market typically does well when interest rates are low, and the best time to get in is right before the Feds cut the interest rates. So by all accounts, we are anticipating that the Feds is going to cut the interest rates next week. Okay, I'm sorry, next month in the FOMC meeting, which is going to be on September 18th to the 19th. Everybody is expecting that the Feds are going to cut the rates. If you just look at this chart right here, we're going to go back to let's see, when it's at its peak here at around July and August, it was trading at $88. All right. So if you remember back in that time, that was around COVID when the interest rates were basically non-existent, right? So that's why it was doing so well. So that's why I'm showing you this right here. So we're expecting the interest rates to start getting cut, and the interest rates is going to get lower and lower, and this ETF is just going to increase in price. Okay, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this because now is a good time to jump in on this. I'm not telling you what to buy, hold, and sell. Once again, you have to make your own decisions at the end of the day. I'm just bringing you guys the information so you can make the best decision for yourself. Okay. Okay, gang. So if you want to invest in this ETF, guys, you can do that in the Moomoo investment app. Okay, I am going to have the link down in the description. Go ahead and use my link, sign up, deposit $100, and you are going to get $100 in free stocks. Okay, they're also going to give you up to 8.1% interest rates on your uninvested cash. So go ahead and use my link and sign up today. Okay, that's all I got for you guys in this video. But go ahead and join my Patreon, guys. I'm going to have the link down in the description for that as well. Over there, you can learn how to trade stock options. I'm going to be doing that over on the Patreon. You can also go to my website, crazycryptocliff.com, and I'm going to have some exclusive content over there for you guys, all right? But like I said, that's all for this video. But I will definitely see you guys in the next one, and let's get this money.